have Mahwish from the Emirates.
I have question. I'm working in a real estate company and we are giving services to the people. Okay. So once, example, the flat is vacant, the tenant is due to clean the apartment or property and he have to make it so the new tenant will move in. In the contract, it is mentioned that tenant have to do it in the time period of his tenancy contract. Now, once they vacate the apartment, we have our own people from other maintenance company. We have contact with them. And we are making the maintenance on their behalf. So, can we take our profit from it? Is it halal? Yani, example, the market rate is 1,000 dirham for maintenance. And from my contact people, we are giving him 500 dirham. And the remaining 500, which is the balance, can we keep it? Is it halal?
First of all, is this by agreement with the previous tenant?
I don't understand.
Meaning, my lease ends in 2 weeks' time. So in these 2 weeks' time, I'm obliged to clean and paint and fix everything in my flat before vacating it, correct?
Yes.
So
correct.
Instead of me doing it personally, I approach you and I say, Mahwish, can you do this for me? And you say, okay, we will charge you 1,000 dirham. If I say, okay, I'm fine with that, and you get subcontractors for 500 and keep 500 for yourself, this is totally halal.
No, but the thing is that the tenant, they just vacate the apartment and they don't do the maintenance.
Who's paying for this? Are you charging it from their deposit?
Deposit, yes.
If you're charging it from their deposit and you contact them and they refuse to do it themselves, then you can do this and take 500 your profit, because this is not your job. And you are entitled to charge them whatever suits you within reason, inshallah.
But it is mentioned in the contract that once they hand over the key, so the real estate will take care of it. We cannot return back the key to them.
Okay, but what about the deposit?
Yeah, from the deposit only. The deposit we are taking for that reason only.
Yeah, it seems no problem, inshallah. Because whose responsibility is it in the contract to fix it as it was received in the beginning?
Yes, this is tenant responsibility,
Khalas.
but it is mentioned that within the contract period, they have to do it. Yani once their contract ends, they have to make maintenance and hand over the key to us.
And if they fail to do this, then your responsibility is to do it and charge it to their deposit.
Yeah.
No problem,
exactly.
inshallah. I see no problem in that.